Yeah, welcome to my class. So myself, Duray SK, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from PPG College of Arts and Science. Today, we are going to learn an important memory concept. It's a page replacement. Okay, let's begin step by step. Yeah, page replacement strategies. Okay, first we need to understand what is memory management and page replacement, why we are going to a page replacement strategies, FIFO, LRU kind of. Memory is divided into small blocks called pages. It's like a RAM, ROM, SSD, hard disk, etc, etc. This memory is divided into small blocks. These blocks are called pages, used to virtual memory. Okay, so big memory divide into small equal parts. So 8 GB RAM, two parts. Okay, 4 into 2 8. So kind of it's a small example. Okay, right. Okay, then memory is limited. Okay, when memory becomes full, OS removes one page, loads a new page. Okay, this is a replacement. Okay, so you don't bother about that. It's very easy. This process is called page replacement, right? Okay, uh, we'll take a real life example. You have three books on your table. Okay, you have three books on your table. You bring a new book. One old book must be removed. So same concept in memory. Okay, this is a page replacement, right? Okay. Then types of page replacement. First one is FIFO, page replacement. So this is first in, first out algorithm. Okay, first load a page is removed first, right? So this working principle is pages are maintained in queue. New pages are added at the rear. Oldest page front is removed. Front and rear concept. It's like a FIFO. Queues concept. Already we know that queue, right? Front and rear. Then another one is LRU, least recently used. Page not used for long time is removed, right? See, so FIFO. This is the programs or process. Okay, so number of frames is three. So page, these are the pages, and three frames. Frame one, frame two, frame three, and fault yes or no. Okay. So first step seventh page, frame one. Okay. So frame two nil, frame three zero nil. Then second page is zero, seven. Frame two is occupied is zero page. Okay. Then one is occupied frame three. Okay. Fault is yes. Then taken a two second page. Okay, it's a first in first out concept. Okay, replacement strategy. See, this two come to the frame one. Already frame one is holded seven page. Okay, seven page not removed. It goes to another frame. It's another unallocated frames. Okay, so this two is come to the frame one. Okay, this is a front is removed. Okay, then zero, come to the zero page. Already zero is in frame 2. Okay, so no changes. Okay, then 1, so this is also no changes. Okay, then 3, third frame, sorry, third page. So 2 3, second frame is occupied, 1 is also here, and 0 no change, already is there. Sorry, here 0 is not already removed, right? 2 3, then 0, frame 3 is occupied, right? This way the page replacement is work. Okay. Okay, let's revise. Okay, memory uses paging. Okay, when full, page replacement happens. Okay, using FIFO and LRU methods. Okay. Okay, I hope all of you understood this concept. Okay, in the next video we will learn disk scheduler. Okay, thank you.